Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of SimCity BuildIt for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this fully works, guys, so don't get sad and be like, oh, I'm poor. You can become rich. Go to Hex Mods, and once you're on the site, SimCity BuildIt right there. So this is the modded version. You can search it up if you can't find it, but go ahead and press the down button and wait for it to download. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. Now, before we actually get the SimCity BuildIt mod onto our device, we are going to have to do a verification, which is a one-time process where we have to download some apps and complete the instructions. So let me show you guys right here. As you can see, it says SimCity BuildIt mod installer, complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So they show you 4 apps. Make sure you do 2 of them and make sure you read the instructions because some people don't. So as you can see, WGT Golf says install and reach level 10. Color Block says down and run for 30 seconds. Same with TikTok. Then we got Swagbucks. So you just press tap to install. It will redirect you to the App Store and you just got to download the app. Now, I did one called Family Island, which isn't showing up anymore, but just make sure, guys, that you complete the verification. You only have to do it once, and then you get your SimCity BuildIt modded version with unlimited resources, as you can see. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but some of you guys are, like, weird, and, like, you will just, like, straight up download the app and, like, not open it and, like, complete the instructions. So make sure you guys do that. It's very important. So I'm going to see you guys later, but, yeah, if you're interested in hacking SimCity BuildIt, be sure to watch my video. As long as you do that verification step, there's literally nothing stopping you from becoming a SimCity BuildIt master. So yeah, just do this verification. They have a bot you can actually talk to, which is super cool. I mean, they got everything in here. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys, and it's super cool. So if you're interested in SimCity BuildIt, I would be glad to show you this video. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.